Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, October 9, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. Systemair introduces new generation of Topvex air handling units. Systemair proudly presents Topvex with counterflow heat recovery. It is an integrated, intelligent solution where innovation, energy saving, noise reduction and sustainability are key. The standardized design offers built-in flexibility, drastically shortens lead time, and ensures fast delivery. Its key design features simplify transport and installation, wide range and high energy efficiency. The Topvex counterflow range comes in 5 sizes: airflow 350 to 6,900 cubic meters/h, and a variety of standard configurations. Its top quality, aluminum heat exchangers are 100% tested for air tightness. All models are designed with a defrosting function. Energy-efficient EC fans with high-strength plastic composite wheels ensure low sound level and the best energy efficiency performance for each Topvex model. A true compact air handling unit. The unique frameless casing concept of the Topvex range enables smallest possible size and usage of floor space without compromising on performance. Being truly compact means that components are selected to offer a set performance and the size of the unit is optimized around that performance. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Embraco experts offer knowledge about the cold chain at Chillventa. Embraco, a global provider of technology for the complete domestic and commercial cold chain, and part of the Nidec Global Appliance Brands portfolio, will promote 9 roundtables from October 13 to 15 at Chillventa E-Special. In addition to presenting its new solutions for food retail and food service applications, the experts are focusing on offering knowledge for refrigeration industry professionals. As this year Chillventa will be digital, due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we took the opportunity to explore the roundtables and connect with professionals from all over the world, sharing with them our knowledge about the cold chain and market trends, as well as technical case studies, explains Marek Sliczynski, R&D Director, fellow researcher at Nidec Global Appliance, Embraco portfolio. Apart from the roundtables, Embraco will be also hosting 2 webinars of Chillventa's official supporting program. The first one will be presented by Gilmer Paravano, Senior Sales Manager at Nidec Global Appliance, where he is responsible for Embraco's commercial solutions to the EMEA region. On October 14, at 2 p.m. CEST, he will present Embraco variable speed solutions with Smart Drop-in feature, a simple and effective way to start the migration from fixed, on-off, to variable speed compressors, VSCs. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. 2020 Global Cold Storage Capacity Report. The Global Cold Chain Alliance, GCCA, released the 2020 Global Cold Storage Capacity Report, detailing the expansive reach of cold chain suppliers worldwide. The 51 countries represented in this year's report demonstrates the global reach of our trade association and importance of our industry research to cold storage companies around the world, said Jason Trondle, Director of Market Intelligence and Research. The report also provides country-level data for 3PL cold storage capacity, private cold storage capacity, or both. View the infographic online. In developing country markets, middle-class and high-income consumer segments support the demand for refrigerated and frozen foods, which ultimately drives the refrigerated warehouse service industry. The Market Development Index is calculated as cold storage capacity per urban resident. Based on the assumption that the middle class tends to concentrate in urban and suburban areas, the overview of the report below uses urban population as a benchmark. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Russell WBHO to deliver over 350,000 square feet temperature-controlled storage for logistics giant. Manchester main contractor Russell WBHO is to deliver more than 350,000 square feet of cold storage capacity for Lineage Logistics at 2 UK sites this year. The team has broken ground on a new 230,000 square feet, 92,000 pallet fully automated facility at Great Haddon near Peterborough. The third phase of a project to create a Southeast superhub, it will feature some of the world's most sophisticated automation and refrigeration technology, helping to reduce energy consumption and overall environmental impact. Russell WBHO has also just completed the second phase of the project, a 46,000 square feet space housing up to 15,000 pallets, having built the first phase in 2018. All three phases together will bring the Southeast Super Hub storage capacity to 118,000 pallets. Work has also commenced on an 80,000 square feet, 22,000 pallet cold storage unit at the firm's Northern Superhub at Haywood in Greater Manchester. The project is the culmination of a multi-phase expansion of capacity at the site that Russell's has supported over the last decade. In total, the team will have built 260,000 square feet of space, housing upwards of 57,000 pallets, at Haywood since 2004. Read more the news on our website today. 5th News Today. Carrier and Amazon are collaborating to co-develop the Lynx digital platform. Today, Amazon Web Services Incorporated, AWS, an Amazon.com company, and Carrier Global Corporation, a leading global provider of healthy, safe and sustainable building and cold chain solutions, announced a multi-year agreement to co-develop Carrier's new Lynx digital platform. This suite of tools will provide Carrier customers around the world with enhanced visibility, increased connectivity, and actionable intelligence across their cold chain operations to improve outcomes for temperature-sensitive cargo, including food, medicine, and vaccines. The collaboration builds on Carrier's selection of AWS as its preferred cloud services provider in February 2020. The Lynx platform will combine AWS's IoT, analytics, and machine learning services with Carrier's refrigeration and monitoring solutions, extending Carrier's current digital offerings for managing the temperature-controlled transport and storage of perishables. Customers using the Lynx platform will benefit from end-to-end tracking, real-time alerts, automated processes, and predictive analytics to help them deliver temperature-controlled cargo more efficiently, in turn decreasing the cost of cold chain operations by optimizing resource utilization, cargo loss, and spoilage. Read more the news on our website today. 6th News Today. Philip Doyle Manufacturing chooses Honeywell Solstice N15 to cool heavy-duty overhead crane systems. Honeywell announced that Philip Doyle Manufacturing, a Canadian-based producer of custom air conditioning systems for heavy-duty overhead cranes and other severe-duty air conditioning products, has adopted Solstice N15, R515B, refrigerant for use in strenuous industrial applications. Solstice N15 is a non-flammable, low global warming potential, LGWP, replacement refrigerant for R134A and R124 in chillers and heat pumps. It was selected by Philip Doyle to meet global phase-down regulations of hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, and stringent customer requirements, including heavy equipment operators who toil in sweltering temperatures in enclosed crane cabins and require small-format climate control systems to stay cool. Our customers were seeking a refrigerant solution that is safe, suitable for temperatures that can climb up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit in crane cabins and minimizes impact on the environment, said Basil Mendonca, project manager, Philip Doyle Manufacturing. Honeywell's Solstice N15 is not only non-flammable and highly efficient, it handles our high-temperature severe-duty AC needs in the toughest industrial applications. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. RDM joins digitalization discussion at Atmosphere America. Atmosphere America is an annual event organized by SHECO, offering insightful presentations and discussions on a range of topics relating to natural refrigerants. Due to the global COVID-19 pandemic, this year's event will be held online from 20 to 22 October. The structure of the previous years will be taken over to the digital format with a mix of panel discussions, presentation of international market trends and case studies available to the audience. This year's panel discussion topics include digitalization, natural refrigerant technologies, and energy efficiency. Representing Resource Data Management, RDM, Chris Pegg, Vice President of Sales North America, will join the digitalization discussion panel. Considering the background of RDM's early influence on the IoT, control and monitoring solutions based on open protocols, and remote monitoring software, Chris will discuss the benefits of embracing digitalization in the refrigeration and retail industries. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.